All right, sir. So I just wanted to show you a couple things so you can see what I'm talking about. Like I'm having some issues, and I'm sure it's my fault. I'm sure I'm not doing things correctly. All right, so first and foremost, you can see that I have NetBeans, right? I also wanted to show you that my program files, I have it, and I have the IDE. There is the JDKs in here somewhere. I can't remember. Let's just search. Yeah, see, I had a JDK. Um, so the next problem that I'm having that I don't know if I'm doing it incorrectly, the labs that we downloaded from the folder, the zip file, you see all these Java files, like you can't open them up with anything, and then I try to find the app to use. I don't know, like you can go in here and go through all this stuff. So I go into NetBeans. I don't know what to use. Like none of these files make sense to me. I'm absolutely 100% never used Java before, so uh, I'm novice. Not even I don't even know if I'd consider myself a novice. So anyway, so that hurts. I can't do anything there. So and I open up the IDE. So for example, let's just talk about on one of these questions. I think one of them was to open up payroll, if I remember correctly. No, it wasn't payroll. It was sales tax. All right. So here's the IDE. The only way for me to actually put these files in there is I have to drag. Well, first, hold on before I even do that. So over here, I got nothing, right? So what I'm used to is having stuff in here saying, open up new project, or I'm a VBA guy so far, so new modules and yada yada. But this being blank is really concerning to me. Like this makes sense, services they having stuff in there, but projects and files being blank doesn't make any sense to me. So anyway, I can't go in here and open new project because when I go to the labs, nothing's in there because it doesn't notice those Java files. Then I can do this, go to my labs, go to sales tax, and I can drag it into the IDE. And then I get this. Now, it won't run. It says, this is blank. It's grayed out. It'll never let me run anything. See? So I don't know what to do here. Sales tax. Let's see. There's a class. There's a public class heading right here. Sales tax. So honestly, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm pretty lost. Um, and I'm on the road for work. I'm in Florida right now. I got to get on a plane in about 3 hours. Um, so my concern is that I'm going to fall too far behind, and I need to know if I should drop the class and try next semester, because I won't be on the road anymore for that semester, or if it's an easy fix and you know what I should do, you can just let me know what I should do to fix this software issue, and I can continue working forward. I have went ahead and uploaded the two discussion posts, um, just in case, and I'm looking through the worksheet. I should be able to get through that worksheet pretty easily if the software were to work. Um, so I mean, if I were to find the issue, the fix to the issue by, I would say, by tomorrow, which I don't get until midnight tonight. So by tomorrow, I could probably still have all the homework done before Sunday. But I need to know if I need to drop this class before Friday so that I can drop it before week one's over. So any help you can give me would be great. Thank you.